Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today I have a fun little unboxing, a little care package sent from a friend here on YouTube, Mona, if you guys know her. Yeah. She decided to send me this because she's such a sweetheart, and there are Hoyas that are on my wish list that we have talked about. So she decided to send these my way. I don't know exactly what she sent me, but I have an idea. So I thought we would go ahead and unbox it together. So if you like videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's go ahead and break into this box. And today is Friday. I did a shop with me at 3 Home Depots and 3 Lowe's. And so you guys will see those videos soon. I'm actually going to edit those videos as soon as I get off of here. So yeah, let's get into this box. So if you haven't checked that video out yet, go ahead and check it out. It's going to be a long one because I went to 3 different Lowe's and 3 different Home Depots. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. She does such great packing as well. Look, she's also on PalmStreet, you guys. If you haven't checked her out, check out her PalmStreet. Check out my PalmStreet. It is the season to start selling. So she's got lots of fluff in here, lots of peanuts. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, that looks like everything. The rest is just fluff and peanuts. I don't really know which. Oh, yep, I do know. This is the bottom here. So let's turn it right side up. And let's get in here. She stapled these just to make sure they don't come undone, because sometimes the tape can come undone. Being careful not to cut anything. All right, I'm gonna take these out and then I'll show you the plants. I don't know if I should do the small one or the big one first. Let's do the small one first. She taped it to the cardboard. You guys get to see first. Oh, you guys, these are one of the seedlings that she's been growing. Let me take the tape and shrink wrap off and then we'll take a look. So this is one of the seedlings that she has been growing, you guys. If you haven't checked her channel out, check her out on YouTube here. She shares her process and updates on these plants, these little seedlings. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the dark margin there. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to take another close-up of it so you guys can see it well. And I think this one might be in, I don't know if it's tree fern, moss, and pawn, but yeah, I'm excited. This is super cute. I can't wait to grow this one out. It's so gorgeous. Hopefully you guys are seeing. It's so cute. And it's a Hoya Stevo cross with unknown RHM 2553 right there. Hopefully you can read that. Kind of faint. Super cute. I see a little bit of splashing, some veins on there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to give you guys a close-up of this plant because I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. It's gorgeous. I don't know when she's gonna have those seedlings available on PalmStreet, but you guys should keep an eye out and check her out on PalmStreet for real and get your hands on one of these. They are gorgeous. Now here's the second one. I know this one is the wish list one. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see it together. Ooh, look at her, you guys. It's the inner variegated Hoya polynura. I'm gonna unpack her and then show her to you. So here she is, all unpacked. It looks like she has her in tree fern and some pumice mixed in there, or pawn. She's super cute, gorgeous. Look at her, you guys. She handled shipping very well. I'm super excited about these two. I'm going to give you a close-up of them. So here is the Hoya polynura. intervariegated. She looks gorgeous. Thanks again, Mona. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to get her potted up. She's in this, I think it's a 3-ounce shot glass. It doesn't have drainage, I don't think. Or actually it does on the sides. I lied. Has drainage on the sides there. She cut some slits. I'm not really sure how to water a tree fern, but I will ask Mona. I'm sure she can give me some details to make this baby thrive. And here is the seedling, looking so cute. I can't believe Mona grew these from seed. She is amazing, you guys. She got these seeds from Rick, and it's a Hoya Stevo crossed with unknown. There is the date, I think, that she received it or planted these. There's also slits on the bottom here, and you can see some roots peeking out. So this plant is very well rooted, growing so beautifully, and I can't wait to grow this one to be larger and share with you guys as well. But I'm sure it'll be a while before I can do that. But can you see the veining? And it kind of has abs, and I love the dark margins sun's dressing on there. Super cute. And then the leaves are they're like thick and nice and hardy. I love the shininess of the leaves. I'm not sure what I like more, the look of these leaves or the look of this leaf. They're both very beautiful characteristics. Make sure you guys keep an eye on Mona's PalmStreet because I'm sure she's going to be selling these. And she put a lot of work into it, you guys, so don't expect them to be cheap. Gorgeous Hoya. Thanks again, Mona. I really appreciate it. Look at the little splashing it has, too. All right, that's it. I will oogle over this more off camera. Thank you so much, Mona. I really appreciate it. You're the best. You know, you're the best. Thank you guys for joining me on this little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you enjoy your weekend. Bye.